Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create realistic images using Piclumen AI. First, open your browser and go to piclumen.com. Click on Generate for free, then sign in with your Google account to continue. Once you're in, click on the Create option to get started. Now, clearly describe what you want the AI to generate. Be as specific as possible. For example, I'm working on a fun concept. Messi and Ronaldo in a podcast studio wearing headphones, talking into microphones. So first I'll create an image of Ronaldo. Write your prompt here, then choose how many images you want, and click on the Generate icon. That's it! Piclumen will create your image in just a few seconds. Similarly, I'll create an image for Messi too. I've included the prompt in the description, so feel free to use it and create your own image. Love the result! Just click Download to save it to your device.